The Constitution's speech or debate clause immunizes Congress members from outside inquiry regarding their performance of legislative duties. In Gravel v. United States, a senator seeks to shield himself and a staffer from inquiry after the senator reveals highly sensitive information during a committee meeting. The court must decide how far the speech or debate clause's immunity extends. Senator Mike Gravel openly criticized America's involvement in the Vietnam War. In 1971, Gravel obtained a highly classified report popularly known as the Pentagon Papers. The papers traced a history of American aggressions in Vietnam at a time when public support for the war was eroding. Gravel convened a Senate subcommittee meeting, read extensively from the papers, and placed the complete document in the public record. Gravel's aides, including Leonard Rodberg, had helped prepare the senator for the committee meeting. After the meeting, Gravel and his staff arranged for the papers to be published by Beacon Press. A federal grand jury was convened to investigate crimes related to the release and publication of the classified papers. The federal government subpoenaed witnesses to testify before the grand jury, including Rodberg. Gravel intervened in the proceeding and argued that requiring Rodberg to testify would violate his privilege under the speech or debate clause of the U.S. Constitution. The district court concluded that the privilege extended to Gravel's staffer, but declined to quash the subpoena. Instead, it entered an order limiting questioning. The grand jury couldn't inquire into the committee meeting and preparations because they were privileged legislative acts, but it could investigate the private publication of the papers. The First Circuit affirmed. It agreed that the clause protected Gravel and his staffer, but it defined the scope of permissible questioning differently. The Supreme Court granted cert.